Good morning, this is Gopinath. Today I will explain a new strategy in which you can do the Excel calculation on the previous night itself and select the stocks to be taken up for trading tomorrow. In this strategy, there are no requirement of doing the Excel calculation during the market hours. That is the main advantage of that one. That's why I thought of sharing with all my students. Here is the detail. Every day you will go to the tools and one click filter and select the NSE future, select both gainers and losers one by one, and then run the condition. You will be transferring this one to the Excel sheet, and as usual you will be removing the stocks up to 50 rupees and zero setting the individual stocks so that the data in front of that appears, and then set them in the alphabetical order and save it. Then transfer to the Excel sheet and call that as a close data. The next day, so far what we were doing here is at 9:50 we used to come to the market, transfer the same PWL and PWG to the Excel sheet. That will become live data, and we were comparing the live data with respect to the yesterday's close data to find out the stocks. Okay, now here there is a small change is there. What is that change? You will derive the stocks of PWL, PWG as usual from the one click filter after the market is over. Call that as a PWL and PWG of that day. Then instead of sending this one to the Excel sheet between 9:50 to 10 o'clock tomorrow, you will be sending the same list of the PWL and PWG after the market is over next day. That means both the Excel sheets are after the market is over. So one you call that as a close, that is the Excel sheet which you have derived the stocks from one click filter. Next day when the market is over, call that as a AMH after market hours next day ND, like that you can call. Next day you need not have to select do the Excel calculation. Directly put these shortlisted stocks to the market heat map, and if the market is negative in nature, go for the red stocks to take the short. If the market is bullish in nature, I will tell which one to take for the going for the buying side or going long side. Here I will remove everything. For example, yesterday was 9th. In order to cater or sort out the stocks for the 9th, you will have to select the stocks which you have selected on 5th evening and saved it in PWL, PWG, and then first on that day you will transfer this one to the Excel sheet and call that as a close. Next day, instead of sending this one between 9:50 to 10 o'clock, what you will do, you will send the same thing after the market is over on 6th, that is AMH. So here it is a 5th of March PWG taken on 9 o'clock 10 minutes on 6th, that is why it is called AMH. Another one here, the same 5th of March PWG taken on the same 5th of March at around 6 o'clock time here. Okay, as usual you will select the stocks. Whatever the previous OI calculations method you do, the same thing you will have to do this one. Set this, check the total number of stocks are matching with each other. Here also 82 is there. Both the stocks has to be arranged in alphabetical order. Then as usual, previous day OI data you copy, that is a closed data of OI data, you copy that one after arranging them in the alphabetical order, and then paste it on the AMH sheet. Previously used to paste it on the 9:50 sheet. Instead of 9:50, now we are transferring this one after the market is over next day. Same way you paste that previous day open interest data here and calculate with the same formula whether the previous day open interest is less than the current day open interest, that is OI difference fresh or the close is less than the OI difference on AMH. You will get false and trues. Then arrange them in such a way that all false are coming together and all trues are coming together. All reds are all false and the black and whites are the trues. Then select the percentage change column, cover all the red stocks, and then sort it out so that the percentage change column is arranged from ascending order. Same way you do this one for true side also, right? Then up to here I will save this. So far we used to apply current average, open close, POP, PHI, etc. in the live market sheet. Now only it is replaced by only one formula, that is close average. That is, in the Excel sheet which you are transferred after the market hours is over, what is the closing column is indicating, that we will select it and compare that one with the average rate. Then the formula is applied and the product of this formula will be obtained. Copy that one for the entire cell. For PWG, under false or trues, you select the negative percentage price stocks. These are all the negative percentage price stocks. Color them with the yellow color. Close average column you apply. Select the first cell of that one, enclose all the yellow colors here and then sort it out, keeping the first entry from the close average. In this selection, you select the stock which is maximum in close average and select some 5-6 numbers of the stocks and color them as blue. Check is there any 0 to plus or minus 1.5 stocks or percentage stocks are there. If it is there, that also you select it. If it is not there, leave it. Same way you please do this one for true side also. From close average column, here also select the maximum positive close average and then select some 5-6 numbers, right? So now these are all the things which you have done on the previous night. Here also under true, just check up is there any 0 to plus or minus 1.15. If it is available, that also load it. If it is not available, leave it. So these blue color stocks you select and then arrange them in an alphabetical order and load them in the market watch. Okay, saved it. Here, if the next day, if the market is negative in nature, if the market is negative in nature, go for 3 minutes chart and then select the red stocks from here. I will load first this one in the market watch. These are all the stocks which has been loaded from the blue color stocks, whatever we have got it. Sorry, not this one. I will load it and then I'll come back. These are all the stocks which were calculated under PWG, that I am going to put them in the heat map. If the next day, if the market is up, take the green stocks from the here, and whichever the stocks the chart will qualify, that you take it for going long. But if the market is bearish in nature next day, then select the red stocks and then use the 2 minutes time or 3 minutes chart on the short side, and then whenever the MACD top crosses, that you please use it for creating this chart. This you do it only in the first trade, then after that change over this one to the original time frame 13 minutes. Here in 2 minutes, sometimes what will happen, this super trend may not match here because the time frame is very low, here 3 minutes or 5 minutes. That is why I have removed that one. Only thing, ensure that all the candles are forming below the Bollinger Band here. If that much is sufficient, if the market is down in nature, or if the market is in bullish in nature, then the same lower portion of this Bollinger Band should be there below the candle like this. So from here onwards it can be taken up for the buying. So since the market was bearish in nature, we will select first this shorting mode. Select the RBL Bank. Check whether the Bollinger Band is above. Wait for the MACD to go to the top. You will come to the market as usual at 9:50. You see that one whether this MACD is going straight. There is a small delay has been kept between the RSI MFI and RSI CMO with reference to the Bollinger Band. So in 5 minutes chart, we are changing this one to the 9/16. So here you can change this one to 15 also, so that it gets drifted slightly. Okay, you can keep this as a 310/13. try with the most bearish sector. In the morning there was VDL and Jindal Steel were there. So wait for the MACD to the top cross. When MACD top crosses here, create this short here. And Jindal Steel, MACD was getting connected here. So 136.30, then it will go down to 134, 135. Around 1 to 1.5 rupees. 1 rupee fetches you 5,000 rupees. Then after that, what we had seen was iBull was there. iBull also you can take the position here and then reduce the, wait 215 to 212, 3 rupees profit you will get it. Soon after this trading is over, let us see some more thing. You can see here as usual it will go down. Then iBull is over, Zeal is over, and PEL. See here. Don't go further down, you may not get the proper trades. One or two, the most extreme one only you please take it, and then you can trade that one. Better you can do one more thing here. After tomorrow morning when you load this one, physically see whether any of these stocks loaded previous night are having open is equal to high same. That physically you can check that one here. 208 Adani Enterprises was there. Adani Enterprises gives you beautiful shorting opportunity here. That much you can do it. No need to do any Excel calculation. Directly you can see this one, because the time at which the MACD top crosses comes only after 10:20. You are coming here at 9:50. You are having around 25 to 30 minutes time in your hand. So you can physically you can check whether is there any open high same stocks are there, which are very close to each other. 494, 60, 494. Fine. You can see here it has come here. Similarly 187, 273. Yeah, this is also HDFC is also the one. So whichever is having open high will have a first trade which is coming, then giving beautiful profit. 475. Like that you can check one by one. Then after that please change over to 11 minutes or 13 minutes chart. On a day when the market is in the clear downtrend or in uptrend, when the trend in the market is defined, you just wait for the 13 minutes candle, 13 minutes time frame, MACD to top cross. Whichever the stocks you select from under this one, more or less it is going to come at the same time, all the stocks will behave in the same way. You are having the Excel sheets of so many days before, but you may not be having the AMH here. So what I will do is I will just forward some of the AMH Excel sheets to you in the Telegram channel, that you can see RBL. Whenever the MACD top crosses, at the same time RSI MFI also will be going up. But when this MACD is going straight here, the chances are there the stocks may not move at all. Sometimes it will be going to the sideways. As soon as this fellow goes to the top, at the same time MFI RSI top crosses here, and also this also top crosses here, and there you can get the one shot. Jindal Steel, yesterday we have taken the put of this one, so that also you can see. This was 135 put was taken. You can see here first bottom crossing is a buy. Put is to be bought here, and you can buy that one. And also VDL also, one of our person was taking the trade in that, and late in the evening it has given, that was their 100 PE. You see here, when the MACD is coming down, you need not have to enter. When the MACD bottom crosses, this is the exact place. You see, if I keep the cursor here, it is coinciding with that one. From there onwards, 6 rupee 15 has become almost 10 rupees. Around 70 to 80% profit was there. So in this chart, you will get all these things like this. This is how you can trade in that. This is as far as PWG is concerned. Now, on any bullish day, if you do both the calculations here, now we are, whatever you have done, that one, it is in the negative side. Copy the same thing, open the next market watch. Okay, same thing here. Okay, instead of selecting the most ready stocks, what you do is select the bullish stocks, that is positive price, positive percentage price, this one. Both in the false as well as in the true. Only this also you can include. Okay, here you check any most negative close average. This is the one which is most negative close average. Here this is the one which is most negative average. If the market would have been in uptrend, then these two stocks would have performed really well. So this I will keep it at the side. This is Cadillac and Pidilite. Since the market was bearish in nature, that's why this fellow did not give. So don't worry here. If the market would have been bullish in nature, then green stocks would have given you the most profitable trade. Then how about in PWL? In PWL also you select the same way. I will make it first and then I will come back. I will stop here because I don't want to extend this video for a too long period. As soon as everything is arranged, then I will come back. Here you select 5th PWL taken on 6th night 8 o'clock. I will keep it aside, and its respective fresh or the close one taken on the 5th at around 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock. So these two are there here. As usual, remove this, arrange them in the alphabetical order, check the total number of stocks is 50. This is belong to the 5th. This I already told you. 5th of PWL and PWG derived from the one-click filter has to be sent to the Excel sheet and call that as a close. And the same stock, instead of taking next day between 9:50 to 10 o'clock, I am shifting this one after the market is ending. So take this one after 4:30 and then that you call that as a AMH. This is AMH. I have already taken the calculations part of this one here, that I will reduce here. Okay, as usual, previous days OI data has to be copied here and apply the OI in difference. Previous day OI is less than the present day AMH OI. You will get the set of false and the truths. Arrange them in such a way that all false will come together. Arrange these red in false in red color, rest of the things are in black and white color here. So here what you will have to do, here you will have to go for positive stocks. No, here also you have to go for negative stocks. Negative stocks you select here, call this as yellow. Here also select the negative stocks. Okay, then when the market is showing the bullish trend, you will have to select the bullish stocks, below bullish percentage of change. Since the market is continuously in the negative side, first we are selecting the negative percentage price stocks on the previous day, and then as usual the same formula you will apply between close and average. Select the maximum close average positive 8.82. select some 4-5 numbers up to 3 I will select. Here also the same way. Okay, arrange them in alphabetical order. I'll come back as soon as the loading is done. So these are all the stocks which have been identified under the same condition, negative percentage price versus the maximum positive close average. I'll keep this one here itself. So if anybody wants to check that one, they can check that one. This is a percentage change, here is negative percentage, and these are all the maximum close average under false, and the same thing here also. Okay, here also long time I had told you, whichever the stocks have built up more open interest under the false on the previous day, that can be shortlisted. Under the true, which are all the stocks have built up more open interest in the present condition, present day, that is current day on AMH, that can be sorted out. I found that one many doubts started coming here based on this one, the type of selection and all. So if you are comfortable with this one, you can do this one, otherwise ignore this and load all the blue colors here. First you go for shorting chart. Here one interesting thing is, under PWL, irrespective of whether the market is whatever the type, you can select the green stocks for buying. Yesterday it was Indigo, CAC, IOC were there in the green side at the morning when the market was at 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Because the crude price has dropped very rapidly, that's why these are all the buyers of the crude oil. That's why these people were having some advantage. IOC, Indigo, let us see the chart of Indigo for the buy. You can see here in under 2 minutes, sorry, under 3 minutes or even under the 5 minutes, when this fellow bottom crosses, MACD bottom crosses here, at the same time CMO also bottom crosses here, and the stock goes up like this. Every bottom is a buyable. Since the market was having the most negative day, that's why as the day went off, it became very sideways. 1 second, phone is coming, I'll attend to that one and I'll come back. Now any green stocks are there in this one can be buyable here. Day before yesterday stock, I remember, I cannot produce the Excel sheet of that one. At the end I will see if I have done this one, I can show you that. It was Amar Raja battery. You see here, from here it goes, and every bottom crossing is a buyable. Bottom crossing of MACD is a buyable. I am showing that one with reference to the selling chart only. This you can convert that one into the lower frag and you can do that one. So yesterday, day before yesterday, Just Dial was also one of the green stock. This is Just Dial stock, you can see here. It has collapsed in the morning, then after that you see every bottom crossing of the MACD is a buyable. If you want to reduce this one to the 5 minutes, 3 minutes, so that any bottom crossing of MACD is a buyable. Here also in Indigo, if too many ups and downs are coming in the MACD, keep increasing this one to the 5 minutes, or even 13 minutes is also okay. Sometimes here you can buy that one, even 11 minutes. Okay, this is the beauty of that one. If in PWL, on any day when you select the stocks based on the negative percentage price versus the close average positive, as usual what we have applied for the PWG, the same condition if you are applying here, then green stock coming in them are definitely buyable stock in the PWL side. And same way you can do this one. for buy side also. Okay, let us remove all the coloring here. Today I did not get it because maximum stocks were there in the downward trend. Let us see. So these are all the stocks were there. Positive maximum, positive percentage change. Here you should get negative percentage change in this if you are going for the positive side. Here there are no positive was there. Here also here there are no negative close average was there. Here also there was no close average. That's why you will not get any stock. So when the market is in downtrend, you will not be getting any close average negative stocks here. Okay, so under PWL you select both the things and you will have some PWL buy stocks, PWL bearish stocks, and PWG buy stocks and PWG bearish stocks also will be there. Depending upon the trend in the market, you can choose that one. As far as PWL is concerned, if the stocks are taken under the negative side, and in that one definitely daily one or the other stock will come in the pale green or in the lesser green area. When the market is down by this much, even a small pale green is also considered, and that also can be traded in this. This also you can see here. This if I go for AMH here, you see here, you can get the uptrend like this. And as usual, shorting side, it is very well, it can be used. Reliance can be used. So the street vendors will be shouting in front of our house. That is why I had stopped this recording. Now Reliance first top crossing is a sell, IndusInd Bank first top crossing is a sell, and Shriram Transport first top crossing is a sell. All the way everything will be going smooth. So whenever the market is going down, select the negative price stocks. Whenever the market trend changes, after some time, if the market trend becomes more positive, then you can go for the positive selection. Otherwise you can do the negative selections only. In PWL, one beautiful thing what happens here is, even though you selected the stocks for the shorting in the previous night, tomorrow, irrespective of the market trend, if any green stocks comes, please check this one with respect to the buying chart, and you will get the chance. If the chart is matching, then you can go for buying of that one and the first bottom crossing in the 3 minutes or 5 minutes chart. This is a new technique what I am doing here. Here the main advantage here is you need not have to do any calculations during the market hours. You can do aram se ghar mein baith ke, you can do that one. So you need not have to hurry it up, because in the live market you have to do this one within half an hour to find out the stocks. So chances are there error may creep in. So this is how it can be done. As long as the market is in downside trend is there, select the PWGL negative percentage price versus the positive close average stocks only, and that you can trade that one in the PWG and as well as in the PWL. Use 2 minutes or 3 minutes in the beginning, but if you are not comfortable with the 2 minutes or 3 minutes, don't worry, select the 11 minutes or 13 minutes chart only. In the first whatever the top crossing is happening here, that you please buy that. You can use that one for creating the chart. So then whenever this CMO and RSI top bottom crosses at the same time, this fellow is also bottom crossing, contrarian buy can also be done. You can see here IndusInd Bank. These two things should coincide. Tata Motors, Motherson. It should be very fast during the day. So one solid trade you will get it. Had you shorted this one at 94.75, it is 89. 4 rupees into 5,000. Tata Steel. As far as I am concerned, Tata Steel is the worst performing stocks anybody can have. The Tata Steel, Tata Group doesn't work at all. Even then, if you shorted this one at 331, it has come down to 323. 9 rupees profit, 1500 into 9. Bank Nifty You see, this is a place where it is getting shorted. I will put the vertical line here. You see, 26,690, 26,139, 500 rupees drop. So like that you can do this one. So what I say is, use on bearish days, use negative percentage change versus the positive close average maximum in the previous night, both in PWL and PWG. Use the same red stocks to trade in the higher time frame. If you are comfortable with the trading with 5 minutes, in the around 10 to 10:10 the first shorting will come, that you can use it. Otherwise definitely you will get one stock in the during the day, which is coming during the afternoon, so that can be used for creating the short using the 13 minutes. So when the market trend changes, then instead of taking the negative percentage change, you take the positive percentage. When you are selecting, when you are doing on the previous night itself, you will come to know that one hardly some 2-3 numbers will be there. When the positive percentage change in the false and the true, if you are taken, and it should have a negative percentage of close average. When there is no negative percentage of close average is coming, that means that one this type of selection is not going to work out tomorrow. That is why you need not have to select the stocks. Only when the market comes into the positive mode, then only here the negative will come for the selection of the positive percentage gain. So that way you can use this one. So any doubts in this one may please be asked through the email. So I will be happy to trade this one. So one more thing I wanted to say, do not start trading from tomorrow onwards. You start trading the paper trade, and if it is comfortable, you can trade that one. Otherwise, as usual, the old method is there, that is already solid proven method, that only you can trade that one. So if you are comfortable with this one, you can trade here. This is only helpful to those people who cannot do the Excel calculation during the 9:50 to 10:30 time, because at that time they may be working outside, or they may be there on the road and they got caught in the traffic or something like that. So for them, they were asking every day, is there any method, is there any method? Then I thought of sharing this method to them. So this is one more method, intraday method. With that one you can trade. And also I wanted to say one more thing here. As usual, when you are doing this one with the old method using the current average and open close and POPPHI, there also this close average can be used, and it can be selection can be done. What is the selection criteria? For selecting the buying criteria, percentage of price should be buy, and maximum negative should be there in the close average. For shorting, negative percentage of the stocks with the positive maximum close average, that has to be taken both in the false as well as in the true, in PWL as well as in the PWG. This formula can also be used in the old method, so that you can get the stocks. If you are happy with the current average and the open close, be happy with that one. Don't do any changes. Keep doing this one. Why I am upgrading every time is, these are all the knowledge when we should try to develop, because we should not stick to the one method only, because stock market is a dynamic nature. Who knows that one someday the success rate may reduce. That's why you should always keep upgrading yourself and keep doing this one. Thank you very much.